Hey guys, welcome back to Handmade Home. I'm Hester and this week I have a book review for you. I got asked if I want to have a look in the latest book of the creative directors of Flow magazine and I was like, yes please. I love Flow magazine and especially the specials they do, the books for paper lovers. And this time they have a kids edition of the book for paper lovers called The Kids Book of Paper Love. And I thought instead of just showing what's inside the book, maybe I can have Kiki to do a little craft with me. This book isn't aimed for kids Kiki's age because she's only 20 months, but I thought you can never be too young to start to do paper craft. So have a look at what's inside the book and what we made. There you go, 180 pages to read with your hands and not your eyes. I really love this book. Just look at all these patterns and every page has a little paper goodie. Things to pull out, things to cut out, to draw. Look at this little banner. It's beautiful, beautiful patterns. Little postcards. I think it's a truly lovely book for your children to play with. And Irene Smit and Astrid van der Hulst, who are the creative directors of Flow, but also the author of this lovely book, they say it's a perfect break from screens as the kids' book of Paper Love is designed as a creative adventure. Just look at these papers, aren't they lovely? I love these drawings and like I said, a lot of pull-out activities for writing, for drawing, folding, crafting, playing and sharing. Little paper chains, lovely little photo booth, things you can cut out. Yeah, this is Kiki's favorite page, glittery stickers. She loves these. More little things you can cut, little dollies, rosettes, more pull-outs, more tags. My favorite page coming up, which is this owl. Love this owl. Isn't he pretty? I might actually frame him. He's so lovely. 180 pages full of joy. For a little project, it's going to tear some pages out that I really like. And Kiki likes as well, apparently. Oh my god, guys, so annoying. My microphone and my camera didn't work, so I got all this really cute footage of Kiki babbling away while we're sticking the paper down, but you can't hear any of it, you're just gonna see it go. So yeah, just music for you this week, so sorry. And then you just cut out random shapes. Kiki is too small to hold scissors, so I'm doing this for her, but when you have a bigger child, of course, they can do it themselves. When you have around 10 shapes cut, you're also going to choose a backing paper. Then you're going to apply glue to the back of the paper and Kiki can stick them down. For her name, I really want them on a specific place, so I hope Kiki doesn't mind that I stuck her name down. And then I outlined some of the shapes as well, just to make them pop out a little bit. Let me give you a little tip for a really easy make photo frame. I got an A4 sheet of balsa wood, of very thin plywood, marking the middle here, just 15 centimeters. I applied a bit of hot glue on the back of a bulldog clip, stuck it down, and it's a very easy photo frame. So cute! Oh, I love the little picture we made. Kika's quite good at sticking down. She's obsessed with stickers, so this little step up of paper and glue, she did really well and I really like it. And how simple is it to make a little photo frame with just a bit of timber and a bulldog clip. If you like the book, you want to have a look for it yourself. It's out from the 15th of October, it's out now worldwide. And just go to any place where they sell nice books. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and have a look at all the other videos here on the Handmade Home channel. I'll be back soon with a new video and I really hope to see you then.